Michael Malone, Principal Process Engineer at Toray Plastics.
Yeah, my name's Dougbauer. I also work at Toray with Mike and Alex and Steve. And I've seen the whole transition from where we started using paper and Excel and just typing numbers in to where we are now, and it's been a fun ride. I really support it. Our management supports it. The Toray industry supports it. They're really looking to be able to use all the data we collected, because one of the issues we had was we collected it all, but now what? And this is the now what that I found.
Yeah, we take these like huge blocks of data, and we're actually able to, with TrendMiner, able to sort things out and change the time period that you're looking at, and export to use it later.
And another key one too is that we've had some additional process monitoring capabilities added that aren't really separate from our control logic, so they're really just monitoring. So now we can establish where that value is, but in that case it's a film temperature, like of a sheet film, and if that's outside of a given range, send a message, and Alex, primarily, or the film supervisor will get a text, and for the most part we're getting accurate alarms. So it is a process to get valid alarms, because as anybody who works in manufacturing will tell you, nuisance alarms are just they're just nuisance, and it doesn't help drive the productivity forward.
It's a recent example that Steve had put together a monitor for a tank level, and so if the tank level drops too fast, it means that one of the bearing seals on a large agitator has a leak, and we actually in the past had a fire because that seal started to leak, and no one knew about it until there was actual fire, and the fire alarm went off, and that was a real event. So he put that alert in there, the monitor tag, so that if that tank level drops too fast, we got an alert, and so that happened, and it actually prevented a safety incident. So besides just efficiency or productivity guards, it's also for safety reasons too. I know how we use the TrendMiner, and I know our process and our manufacturing systems, but it's interesting to get ideas from other industries and other process engineers, other data experts, that how they're using it. So when I can talk with them and interact with them, too bad I can't go to their site and get a tour, but I can we can talk about how they use it, and maybe I can apply that to how we use it.